The Supreme Court heard arguments today in a challenge brought by Texas and 25 other states to two programs announced by the Obama administration in November 2014 that could protect roughly 4 million people who are in the United States illegally from deportation and also allow them to work legally in the United States. The two programs have never taken effect because they were blocked by lower courts when the states filed their lawsuit. And today, the Supreme Court appeared to be divided between the liberal and conservative justices about this case. The conservative justices seemed supportive of Texas's challenge, and the liberal justices seemed supportive of the administration. The administration argues that the states don't even have the right to challenge this program in federal court. It would be a kind of a procedural outcome, and it would take either Justice Kennedy or the Chief Justice to join with the liberals in such a ruling. Now, as I said, there didn't seem to be much support for that today. In fact, the Chief Justice said that Texas was in a bit of a catch-22 if it couldn't file this lawsuit. But you never know. Sometimes oral arguments don't exactly show you what the justices are thinking or everything about what they're thinking. You just see a small snippet. Another way the administration could win is if there are 5 justices that say that this policy seems reasonable under the law and under the Constitution. Again, there was some indication that the Chief Justice could find a way to that outcome, but he also raised very tough questions for the administration, though at least left the prospect that the court could be split. Texas paints what the president announced in November 14th as unprecedented under immigration law. The administration disputes that, but Texas points out that the president preferred, and the administration concedes, the president would have preferred immigration overhaul passed by Congress. Well, that didn't happen, although the Senate passed a version of it, the House never did. And the president didn't announce these programs until after the midterm elections in 2014, when the Senate changed from Democratic to Republican control. So that narrative sort of feeds the idea that the administration was trying to do through executive action what it couldn't get done through legislation.